founded in 2010, with registered capital of $7.75 million. Chengdu Hop Technology Co. Limited is a high-tech enterprise specialized in designing and manufacture energy-saving, thermal control and energy management products. Hop Technology has offered various cooling solutions for telecommunication, electric power, energy, environmental protection and other industrial applications. Our product range includes telecom cabinet, air conditioner, cabinet heat exchanger, peltier air conditioner, computer room air conditioner and related products. We are located in Chengdu with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. All our cabinet air conditioners are produced and tested through a series of advanced equipment and test lab, including 180 kW enthalpy difference laboratory, noise laboratory, salt spray test laboratory, auto burn in room. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 1401 certificates. Besides selling around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, North Europe and Australia. Besides our standard products, we also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.